Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Guys, hope you guys are doing good. So it is afternoon right now. I'm tired and hungry. I have been working since morning, hence the full face of makeup. So I need to go and grab a bite, and I don't feel like having anything in the house. I'm craving pizza and maybe some chicken wings, so I'm going to Domino's right now to grab that, and then hopefully get back around here before Mia closes. It's almost time for her to close from school. So yeah guys, let's go. I'm hungry.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one in the mood.
Pizza.
It's wings, it's not strips.
Pizza, pizza, wow. Huh? Pizza. Pizza.
Much later.
Hi guys, so same day, okay, same day, later in the evening, and a beautiful nap after. I had such a long nap and I feel really good and refreshed. I needed that nap because waking up every day at 6:30 a.m. because Mia needs to go to school and all that. To be honest, most days I wake up at 6:30. I basically get her ready for school, so give her a bath, feed her, dress her up, while Eliza handles, you know, packing up her school bag and lunch box and all that. Yeah, imagine if I had to do all those things, only me, every morning. That would have been crazy. But we divide the work between ourselves most mornings. But once I wake up at that 6:30 every morning and I drop her off at school after getting her ready for school and everything, I find it hard to come back home and then go back to bed, right? I find it hard because left for me, the day has already begun, so I might as well just start my day, you know. So yeah, I always feel really drained. By the time I now do some work from maybe like 9 a.m. till like 12 noon, I'm already exhausted, I'm already tired, you know. So I really needed, like, I needed to have this nap this afternoon, and I feel a lot more refreshed. Okay, anyways, I want to show you guys something real quick. I was in my house on my own sometime last week, and I got a call from a delivery person asking me to, you know, come and collect something outside. And in my head I'm just like, what could it be? But then again, I do get a lot of packages on a daily basis because I work with a lot of brands. You know, every single day I must always have something dispatched to my house. So I just thought it was like one of these brands that I'm working with that sends me something. So I went down to collect it, but when I looked at the package, it wasn't looking familiar. It wasn't looking like something I was expecting, you know. And then to make matters even worse, the person that sent the shoes, the phone number that she gave to the dispatch rider was not going through. I mean, she was not picking the phone. So I didn't understand where the parcel came from. So we kept trying to call this person back just to be sure that this was actually my stuff, you know. But then again, this person sent it to my address, gave the rider my phone number, so it had to be for me, right? But the thing is, I just took the package from the dispatch rider. I told him I would not even open the package until I have talked to this person and found out, you know, who sent me this. So I didn't even open the package. I didn't even know what it was. I just left it. I knew it was like, it looked like shoes, but I was like, I won't even open this thing until I'm sure where it came from. Okay, 30 to 45 minutes after, the person who had been trying to called me back, you know, and apparently she's a vendor. She was like, oh, did you receive your package? I'm like, yeah. She said, okay. And I asked her, who is it from, because I don't know who it's from. And then she was like, oh, it's from so and so person. And when she called the name, I was like, what, really? She's one of my subscribers. And I don't forget when I put out a birthday wish list this year, she got me something off my birthday wish list. And she's not even based in Nigeria. That's the thing. She's based all the way in Canada, all the way. Yet she always finds a way to buy me stuff and deliver stuff to my house, you know. So I was pleasantly surprised. Like, I was not expecting this at all. And when I received it, I was like, wow. Once I was sure where the package came from, I now went ahead and opened it up, and I saw the most beautiful pair of red shoes. Let me show you guys. Look at that, guys. It's so cute. You guys should know by now that Alma is obsessed with shoes. Okay, shoes are one of my guilty pleasures, and this couldn't have come any sooner because both of my red shoes, I have 2 red shoes on my shoe rack, but both of them, for some reason, I've not been wearing them. One of them I have to extend the strap now because for some reason the strap just became short all of a sudden overnight. Whether my legs grew fatter, I don't know. But then the other one, I haven't worn it for a very long time. So I definitely did need like a new pair of red stuff in my shoe collection, and she sent me this. What happened? You want to wee wee? Okay. Yeah, it was a very unexpected, thoughtful early Christmas gift. These are right up my alley. I love them because the heels are not high and they are block heels because I'm getting old and I'm stepping down from high heels these days. So these are right up my alley. I can wear this every single day, okay? And maybe I might even wear this on Christmas Day. Who knows? Let's see. It's in the Christmas color red. You know, we know the colors are red, green, so it's in the Christmas color, a red. And I do have some new green shoes. So I'm so ready for Christmas this year, guys, okay? I'm so ready. So thank you so much. You know yourself. I won't be calling your name because you want me not to call your name. So thank you so much, darling. This is really appreciated. Once again, thank you so much. I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas. I can't really say if you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas because I want to just say something real quick about Vlogmas, okay? I feel like Vlogmas is destroying my channel. Well, not like destroying, but I feel like it is hurting my channel. And I believe I am not the only content creator that feels this way. We were actually warned because you know how it is with December. So yes, a lot of brands are looking to increase their, you know, advertising budgets here on YouTube and everything, but at the same time the YouTube algorithm in December is not the best because everybody is putting out content at the same time. So you would find out that the number of views your videos are getting are not what they used to be like in previous regular months, right? So I feel like, to be honest, Vlogmas is doing my channel a little more harm than good this year. Last year, I could say that last year, well, I didn't have this much growth last year, so the growth I had from Vlogmas was mind-blowing for me at the time. But now it's like, okay, I'm putting out videos every day. On a regular, my vlogs get, you know, 10k views in 2 days, but now my vlogs are struggling to get 5,000 views in 2 days, you know. So there has been a massive decrease in engagement on YouTube. So if you're a YouTuber, a vlogger, let me know in the comments if you're going through this, because it is a struggle. Putting out these videos every day is not easy, and to see them just doing averagely okay is like, okay, what's happening? Don't get me wrong, there are some YouTubers who are having massive success with Vlogmas. They are getting really good views, you know, putting out videos on a daily basis, but the same cannot be said for many of us, all right? And I think it is for 2 reasons, okay? One, I feel like there is just too much content overload from every single YouTuber, okay? In December, there is just too much content overload, and our audiences are struggling to keep up with content, okay? Imagine you having, like, let's say for instance now 10 favorite Nigerian YouTubers. You are struggling to watch 1 video each from these YouTubers every single day this month. It must be a struggle for you, even as a viewer. I mean, let me know in the comments. It must be an actual struggle for you. So I feel like a lot of people are finding it very difficult to keep up, okay, with so much content, and many people are like skipping, you know, some videos, are not even able to watch, you know, stuff like that. And then secondly, it's also like the whole YouTube algorithm thing in December, because we all know that in December many people are doing holiday campaigns, many brands are doing like campaigns on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, you name it. So the algorithm is honestly not the friendliest in December, because everybody is putting out content, okay? There is enough money to go around, you know, all these YouTubers in the form of AdSense money, but at the same time I feel like the algorithm is not fair. Like, December is not a fair month in my opinion when it comes to, you know, YouTubing. It's not a fair month, and it's not your fault as a YouTuber. It's the algorithm, okay? It's not you. It's not you. Don't blame yourself. It's not you. It's not your content. It's the algorithm. So those 2 major reasons are the reasons I feel like, man, this Vlogmas thing, I don't even know. Next year, depending on the growth of my channel next year, I'm highly considering doing this Vlogmas thing, because I don't know. Okay, imagine if my videos get 10,000 views per vlog every single day, I will cash out at the end of this month. Do you understand? I will cash out for the month of December. But looking at my analytics, it is literally like the same thing, you know, because the views are not as much. Even though I'm putting out content every day, the views are not as much. So I've seen that my revenue is still around the same, what you call it now, still around the same range basically. So yeah, let me know guys in the comments section down below, if you're a YouTuber doing Vlogmas, do you think it's helping your channel or is it hurting your channel? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it. It doesn't mean I will stop doing Vlogmas. I mean, I've already committed myself this year, so I'm going to keep pushing. I'm going to keep putting out videos for this year's Vlogmas, and at the end of the Vlogmas we shall see whether it was worth it this year or not. Okay, all right guys, so that's all I have for you guys for Vlogmas day, what now, 9 or 10? I'm not sure at this point, but hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments. Subscribe, share, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Mwah. Bye.
Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the